Okay, we're gonna do Ethereum right now, and we're gonna check out the monthly. And as you can see, monthly looks really good. It's above 10, 20, and 50 moving average, so it's all good. Like in the short term, we can expect now this drop to go down to 260, maybe even down to 30, 260 to 30. 230 is the lowest on the monthly. That will be 20 moving average. If it goes below monthly 20 moving average, below 230 and closes down there, we are in trouble. But as long as keep above 230, it's good. Like I would expect only 260, 270 around there to drop down to on the monthly. So let's go move on and look at the weekly. The weekly as well, still looking good. It's keeping above 20, but it did cross down through the 10 moving average, and it's now hitting the 20 moving average. The good thing here is you see this purple line, that's 200 moving average, and it's above 200 moving average. Now if it drops down below 200 moving average and it starts hitting the 50 and the 100 moving average down here around 200, which I don't think is gonna go this far, but it can go below. I would think any buy below 200 moving average on the weekly in any crypto is a good buy. I mean, it's 200 moving average. Like, what's gonna happen if you're a holder and you buy below 200? It's good. It's good buy. Short term, I think this will go down at least first to hit the 20 and the 200 moving average, and then we're gonna see. Like, all crypto right now is bearish because Bitcoin, because the Trump Corona stuff and the elections, right? So everything is really bearish, and we are expecting a drop in the market and stuff like that. So you can be really bullish. Long term we are bullish like always, but short term we are not. Now let's go look at the daily, just see what's going on daily with the Ethereum. And you can see here it's hitting the 100, the blue line, the 100 moving average. It's hitting it like almost once, 2 times, 3 times. It's gonna break like 100% sooner or later, and it's gonna fall down here the 200 moving average, at least in the first run. That's at 263, something like that, 260. These two lines below here is 400 and 800 moving average. Whether it's gonna hit them or not, I'm not quite sure. I don't believe we're gonna fall all the way down there, unless we get a corona wave 2 or something like that. But right now we are expecting it to hit the 200 moving average and see how it's go from there. But from there on we are gonna be really bullish. But right now, if you are doing trading, I would be shorting instead of longing. Not a financial advice as always, of course. Let's just look at some trend lines and see how they line up on the 4-hourly, because we can draw quite nice trend lines. Let's remove everything. The most obvious lines you wanna watch out for is this one. It's around like 300 in the first area, and the other one is the bottom here. So everything looks like it's gonna hit around 300 sooner or later, and that would be my guess for the new bottom before it continues upwards. It might though hit all the way down this area, but this is 200. Like, if I were a big dog, you know, I would try to push it all the way down here, because there is a lot of stop losses here that could be picked up and feed my dogs. But I don't know. Like I said, 260. Where's 260? 260 is all the way down here. Like, yeah, this area here is gonna. I think it's gonna drop, and from there on, I think we are again gonna be bullish. Let's just clear this and look at the MACD and the RSI. The MACD scrolls down. This is 4 hours. Let's look at least daily. At least daily. Yeah, we still got some way to go. There are no. Are there any RSI divergences? I don't think there are any RSI divergences right now, because we are this divergence we are expecting in all charts. Like all charts I've been looking, we are expecting this to fall down, but the RSI to stay above it. If it does, we are good to go, like with everything else. But right now everything is working as intended. Yeah, and this is the big divergence that let me clear this. Here's the big divergence. I think this is on all charts right now. That's why we are falling down on the daily. Yeah, this is a big airside divergence. It's like, I think I didn't check the XRP, but on Bitcoin and on other big cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, this is a big airside divergence. That's why we're expecting this drop here, just to correct the divergence. Okay, that's it for Ethereum. Have fun, don't lose your money, not financial advice. GG.